Welcome to Balance Unleashed, an educational and informative channel dedicated to exploring well-being in all its forms. Whether it's physical health, mental clarity, or skincare like we're diving into today. If you're passionate about learning evidence-based strategies to improve your life, this is the place for you. Today, we're diving deep into the science behind hyperpigmentation, what causes it, how it affects different skin types, and evidence-based solutions to fade dark spots effectively. Did you know that hyperpigmentation is incredibly common? It's true. So many of us struggle with those pesky dark spots and uneven skin tone, especially on our face. But don't worry, you're not alone. It's one of the most frequent concerns among the population. The good news is, we've learned so much about what causes hyperpigmentation and how to treat it. So, what exactly is hyperpigmentation? Simply put, it's the overproduction of melanin in the skin. Melanin is what gives our skin, hair, and eyes their color. When your skin produces too much melanin, it can clump together and form those darker patches or spots we call hyperpigmentation. There are different types of hyperpigmentation. You might be familiar with some of them. Post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, or PIH, often pops up after a breakout or skin injury. Melasma is another type, often triggered by hormonal changes. And then there are those pesky sunspots, a direct result of too much sun exposure. Whatever type of hyperpigmentation you're dealing with, understanding the science behind it is the first step towards achieving a brighter, more even complexion. Now that we know what hyperpigmentation is, let's talk about what causes it. Surprisingly, many things can trigger your skin to produce more melanin. One of the biggest culprits is, of course, the sun. Those harmful UV rays stimulate melanin production as a way to protect your skin. Think of it as your skin's way of creating a natural sunscreen. But over time, too much sun exposure can lead to those telltale sunspots. Remember that breakout you had last month that left a dark mark? That's post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation, or PIH, in action. Inflammation from acne, eczema, or even a burn can trigger melanin production and leave behind those stubborn dark spots. Hormones are another major player in hyperpigmentation, especially when it comes to melasma. Pregnancy, birth control pills, and even stress can all throw your hormones out of whack and trigger those dark patches on your face. Let's dive a little deeper into the science behind hyperpigmentation. I promise to keep it simple. And hey, stick around, I will give natural, inexpensive treatments. Remember melanin, the pigment that gives our skin its color? Well, there's an enzyme called tyrosinase that plays a key role in melanin production. Think of tyrosinase as the conductor of an orchestra, and melanin is the music. When your skin is exposed to UV rays from the sun, it triggers tyrosinase to produce more melanin. This process is what gives you a tan. However, sometimes this process goes into overdrive and certain areas of your skin produce more melanin than others. This is when you start to see those dark spots and uneven skin tone. It's like the orchestra is playing too loudly in some sections. There are also different types of melanin. Eumelanin is responsible for brown and black pigments, while pheomelanin gives us those reddish-yellow hues. People with darker skin tones naturally have more eumelanin, which is why they tend to tan more easily. Section 4, fighting back evidence-based treatments for a more even skin tone. Now for the good stuff, how to treat hyperpigmentation. The good news is that there are lots of effective treatments, both topical and procedural. Topical treatments are a great first line of defense. Look for ingredients like hydroquinone, kojic acid, vitamin C, and retinoids. These ingredients work in different ways to inhibit tyrosinase, that pesky enzyme that produces melanin. Chemical peels are another effective option. They work by exfoliating the top layers of the skin, helping to fade dark spots and even out skin tone. Now that we've covered some powerful ingredients like hydroquinone and retinoids, let me take a moment to remind you why staying tuned to Balance Unleashed is so valuable. Our mission is to empower you with science-backed knowledge you can trust, whether it's skincare, wellness, or self-care tips. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and join our growing community of learners who are committed to living healthier, more balanced lives. It's completely free, and you'll never miss a video packed with actionable insights like this one. Lasers are like the heavy artillery in our fight against hyperpigmentation. They deliver targeted energy to break up melanin pigments and stimulate collagen production, resulting in clearer, brighter skin. Remember, consistency is key with any treatment. It takes time for your skin to regenerate and for those dark spots to fade. Be patient, follow your dermatologist's instructions, and you'll be rewarded with a more even complexion. While medical treatments like hydroquinone and retinoids are highly effective, not everyone has access to these options, or they may prefer gentler, more natural alternatives. That's where natural remedies come in. These ingredients have been used for centuries in traditional medicine and are now gaining attention in scientific research for their skin-brightening properties. It's important to note that natural doesn't always mean safer or faster. Some natural remedies can cause irritation if used incorrectly, so we'll cover how to use them safely and effectively. However, before we dive in, I want to remind you that this video is for educational and informational purposes only. The content shared here is based on scientific research, personal experiences, and expert recommendations, but it's not a substitute for professional medical advice. Everyone's skin is unique, so what works for one person may not work for another. If you're dealing with persistent hyperpigmentation or any skin condition, please consult a dermatologist or licensed skincare professional before trying new treatments. So let's go. 1. Aloe vera. Aloe vera is a succulent plant known for its soothing and healing properties. It contains compounds like allicin and aloin which inhibit tyrosinase activity, the enzyme responsible for melanin production. How to use it? Apply fresh aloe vera gel directly to dark spots or mix it with honey for added hydration. Leave it on for 20-30 minutes before rinsing off. 2. Licorice root extract. Licorice root extract contains glabridin and licoritin, two active compounds that inhibit tyrosinase and disperse existing melanin deposits. How to use it? Look for serums or creams containing licorice root extract. Alternatively, steep licorice root powder in boiling water, let it cool, and apply the liquid to affected areas using a cotton pad. 3. Turmeric. Turmeric contains curcumin, a potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compound that helps reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which contribute to hyperpigmentation. How to use? Create a DIY mask by mixing turmeric powder with yogurt or honey. Apply it to dark spots, leave it on for 15-20 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. Be cautious, turmeric can temporarily stain the skin yellow. 4. Vitamin C-rich fruits. Citrus fruits and papaya contain high levels of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that brightens skin by inhibiting tyrosinase and promoting collagen production. Papaya also contains papain, an enzyme that gently exfoliates dead skin cells. How to use? Rub a slice of lemon or papaya pulp on clean skin, avoiding sun exposure afterward. Dilute lemon juice with water to prevent irritation. Alternatively, mash papaya and apply it as a mask. 5. Green tea. Green tea is rich in polyphenols, particularly epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, which has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. EGCG inhibits tyrosinase and reduces melanin production. How to use? Brew green tea, let it cool, and apply it to dark spots using a cotton ball. Alternatively, look for moisturizers or serums containing green tea extract. 6. Oatmeal and honey mask. Oatmeal honey mask. Oatmeal has soothing and exfoliating properties while honey acts as a humectant and antimicrobial agent. Together they help fade dark spots and improve skin texture. How to use? Mix finely ground oatmeal with raw honey and apply it as a mask. Leave it on for 15-20 minutes, then rinse off. Section 5. Prevention is key, shielding your skin from hyperpigmentation. Prevention is always better than cure, right? The same goes for hyperpigmentation. By taking a few simple steps, you can significantly reduce your risk of developing those pesky dark spots in the first place. Sun protection is non-negotiable. Wear broad-spectrum sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher every single day, rain or shine. Reapply every 2 hours, especially after swimming or sweating. Don't pick at your skin. I know it's tempting, but picking at pimples or scabs can increase inflammation and lead to PIH. If you have a breakout, treat it gently with over-the-counter spot treatments. Exfoliate regularly, but gently. Exfoliation helps to remove dead skin cells and brighten your complexion, but over-exfoliating can irritate your skin and actually worsen hyperpigmentation. Stick to exfoliating once or twice a week with a gentle scrub or chemical exfoliant. Section 6. Embrace your natural beauty. A final word. Remember, everyone's skin is different, and what works for one person might not work for another. It's important to consult with a dermatologist to determine the best course of treatment for your specific skin type and concerns. They can help you create a personalized plan to address your hyperpigmentation and achieve your skincare goals. And remember, true beauty comes from within. While it's great to strive for a healthy and even complexion, don't let hyperpigmentation define you. Embrace your natural beauty and focus on taking care of your skin from the inside out. And that's a wrap on today's deep dive into the science of fading dark spots and hyperpigmentation. I hope you found this video both informative and empowering. Remember, achieving clear, glowing skin is a journey, not a race. Be patient, consistent, and kind to your skin along the way. If you're hungry for even more knowledge, I've got 2 incredible book recommendations for you. These bestsellers are packed with expert advice and actionable tips to help you master the art of skincare. The Skincare Bible, Your No-Nonsense Guide to Great Skin, by Dr. Anjali Mahto, a must-read for anyone looking to understand the science behind skincare and how to tackle concerns like hyperpigmentation effectively. Glow from Within, The Ultimate Insider's Guide to Radiant Skin by Dr. Barbara Sturm. This book dives into holistic skincare practices, combining nutrition, lifestyle, and topical treatments to achieve radiant skin naturally. You can find links to these books in the description box below. Before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our Balance Unleashed community. Together, we'll explore the latest in science-backed wellness and skincare so you can live your best, most balanced life. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. It helps us reach more people who need this information. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care of yourself and your skin.